Banu. I've come here for the family event organized by Boeing. I've come as my mum. And I would like to talk about the food, which is great overall.
Hello, I'm Jay. I'm here visiting at the Sheraton event here for Boeing. The meals I had, specifically the chickpeas, was very good. It was very nice, and the food and the entertainment was very good.
Hi, I'm Shamik. I'm from Boeing. So the arrangements here were excellent. The planning of the counters was great. We didn't see any queuing up.